If you are giving your smartphone to kids, sometimes when they are opening YouTube, some mature contents may appear in that feed. In this video, we will be telling about how to avoid this. For this, first what we need to do is take your smartphone and open YouTube application. After opening YouTube application, above you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option settings. Click on settings. In settings, you can see one option general. Click on general. In general, you can see one option restricted mode. Here it is written, this helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This settings only applies to this app on this device. So if you are turning this restricted mode, potentially mature videos may not appear in your phone. So if you are giving your phone to kids also, that type of videos will not be visible. And here they are also saying it is not 100% accurate. Anyways, chance of potentially mature videos coming in feed is less. Anyways, to do that, you need to turn this on. After turning this on, mature type videos or adult videos will not be shown in your feed. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.